Wow, Sean, Ryan is really terrible at betting. I have to run my business legally, but I'm worried he's not going to pay me.
Alright, so as your accountant, I'm going to advise you to go by the generally accepted accounting principles, and that means you're going to have to match revenues with expenses with the time period in which they occurred. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create a new account. This new account is going to be called the Allowance for Uncollectible Accounts, and it's a contra asset account. And what you're going to do is at the beginning of the period, you are going to credit your allowance for uncollectible accounts and then debit your uncollectible accounts expense so that you've registered the fact that Ryan's not going to pay for you.
Alright, so as your other accountant, I'll be using the aging method to determine the amount that will be going into your allowance for uncollectible accounts. So looking at the numbers, this is how much Ryan owes you, and this is how many days since he made the bet. And so the further it is since he made the bet, the more likely it is he's not going to pay. So doing the math out, we've got 1,000 current, only about 1%, so only $10. But at the bottom, over 90 days, $50, 50%, $25. In total, it adds up to $120, so that will be what you would be putting in the credit balance for your allowance for uncollectible accounts.
Charlie, I really like the Browns beating the Patriots this week. I know they haven't won a game, but I think they're going to get the win. They're playing in Cleveland, so I think I'm going to throw $50 on this game. Evan, man, I know the Browns just lost, and I really don't think I'm going to be able to pay you. I'm not getting the money to you this week.
You know what, Ryan? That's okay this time. I did account for it already, but I'll have to write it off.
Charlie, it's halftime at the Super Bowl right now. The Falcons are up huge versus the Patriots. I really think I'm going to throw another 50 on this game for them to win. Evan, I don't know how the Falcons blew it. They lost by 6 points and they're up 28-3 with 3 minutes and 12 seconds in the third quarter. I'm not going to be able to get you that $50 again, man. I'm sorry.
Oh, Ryan, you're really killing me. I'm going to have to write it off my books again. Ryan, if you're going to make another bet with me, you better be sure that you can pay me back.
All right, I got you, Evan. This next accounting exam, I'm going to nail it. I know math's at the back of my hand, and I'm going to throw $20 with Evan that I'm going to get the question right. Evan, man, I just got the matching question wrong, and I got a 55 on my exam. I don't think I'm going to be able to get you the $20 either. I don't have it in my account right now.
Really, Ryan, again? I'm going to have to write this one off too. Ryan, I gotta tell you, I think you're done betting with me because you are way too unreliable.